Hello again. Well, today I need to do a bit of work on the Jeep. So if you have a Jeep like this, you'll know the problem here. The headlight covers get cloudy and misty after a while just due to age. They're kind of a polycarbonate. So one way of fixing this is actually to polish the surface. So what I'm going to do today is using wet and dry from 1200, 2000 and 2500 grit with some soapy water, and then polish it with a lambswool polishing wheel, and then at the end give it a coat of clear coat to try and protect it. So anyway, this one's in the sun, so I'll concentrate on showing you what I'm doing here, doing the same to both sides. So here's the finished result. I tried the clear coat on the surface, but it didn't quite set flat. It went all kind of wrinkly, so I've stripped that off again and repolished these lenses. So I'm going to leave them just polished and look for a good clear coat to add on. But now I've got some nice clear headlights for the Jeep, so be able to see when I'm down in the country. Okay. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.